siya? Ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng ganyan. Sino siya? Pag nakitang gumiling talagang manggigigil ka. Galing-galing mo, galaw na gusto ko. Sige, igiling, igiling, wag hihinto. Galing-galing mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling, igiling, wag hihinto. Galing-galing, ay pa. Galing-galing, ay pa. Galing-galing, galing-galing, ay pa. Sino siya? Ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang
Hi guys! So for our learning objectives is kailangan nyo malaman or may define what is Big Bang Theory. At kailangan nyo malaman kung ano ang mga evidence na nagpapatunay sa Big Bang Theory. Kailangan nyo ring malaman kung sino ang founder, ano ang Big Bang Theory, at ano-ano pa ang about sa Big Bang Theory at ma-apply natin sa real life ang knowledge na makukuha nyo sa video na ito. Kaya tara na! Ano na? Bomba na!
bomba na!
Your money.
Go to school.
She was a fairy.
Ang teoryang Big Bang ay nananaig bilang isang paliwanag na pinagmula ng Santinukov. At pinaliliwanag dito na ang Santinukov ay nagsimula sa isang mainit at maliit na estado 13.7 billion years ago.
Evidence supporting the Big Bang Theory. 1. Cosmic Microwave Background Radiation CMBR. In 1965, scientists discovered faint radiation coming from all directions in space, which is considered the afterglow of the Big Bang.
Redshift of galaxies expanding universe. Edwin Hubble observed that galaxies are moving away from us, meaning the universe is expanding. If we reverse this process, everything would have been closer together in the past, supporting the Big Bang.
Abundance of light elements, hydrogen and helium. The early universe was hot enough for nuclear reactions to form. Hydrogen and helium in exactly the proportions predicted by the Big Bang model. Large-scale structure of the universe, the distribution of galaxies and cosmic structures matches what computer models predict if the universe started from a Big Bang.
Ang Big Bang Theory ay hindi nagmula sa isang tao lamang. Ngunit ito ay resulta ng pag-aaral at pagtutulungan ng mga siyentipiko sa loob ng maraming panahon. Ang mga nakadiskubre ng Big Bang Theory ay sina
Georges Lemaitre. Georges Lemaitre proposed the idea of a primordial atom that expanded and became the universe. His work laid the foundation for the Big Bang Theory. Alexander Friedman derived solutions to Einstein's equations of general relativity that predicted an expanding universe. His work provided mathematical support for the Big Bang Theory. Edwin Hubble provided observational evidence for an expanding universe by discovering that galaxies are moving away from each other. This discovery confirmed the Big Bang Theory. Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson discovered the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is a faint afterglow of the Big Bang. This discovery provided strong evidence for the Big Bang Theory. George Gamow developed a model of the Big Bang that explained the abundance of different elements in the universe. His work helped to understand the early stages of the universe. Ralph Alpher worked with Gamow to develop a model of the Big Bang that explained the composition of the universe. Their work further refined the understanding of the Big Bang Theory. Now you know who are the founders. Let's go with the evidence of Big Bang Theory.
Hi guys! So ang Big Bang Theory daw ay isa sa pinaka-famous na theory. So ang Big Bang Theory daw ay na-discover noong 13.8 billion years ago. Ang Big Bang Theory ay hindi explosion, kundi expansion. At pag-aaralan hanggang ngayon. So meron kaming hinanda para sa evidence ng Big Bang Theory. Una ay cosmic microwave background radiation. So ang CMBR ay ebidensya ng Big Bang Theory na na-discover ni Arno Penzias at Robert Wilson. Ito ay radiation na makikita ang redshift of galaxy ay isa sa ebidensya ng Big Bang Theory saan sinasabi ni Edwin Hubble na nagbabago ang mga kulay ng bituin sa galaxy dahil nag-e-expand ang universe. So, isa pa sa evidence ng Big Bang Theory ay ang mga light elements katulad ng hydrogen and helium na na-form ng early universe. Ang large-scale structure or LSS ay isa sa lumang evidence ng Big Bang Theory na kung saan ang distribution ng celestial body ay nag-e-expand.
In conclusion, ang Big Bang Theory ay isang mag-expand sa universe kung saan hindi pa ito napapatunayan. Hanggang sa ngayon, even pa rin ang paniniwala ng mga tao sa kanya. Nakadepende na lang sa iyo kung maniniwala ka o hindi, kahit masikip ako.